All right, we're on our way to Townsend, Tennessee. Here we are. It is approximately 12:30 at night. It's Logan. It's Alex.
Huh? I'm awake.
And there's Sam. He's driving us the 7-hour distance from Amboy, Indiana to Townsend, Tennessee. Here we go. Woo. This is Steel Horse's 4th time down to the Tennessee Rally. This is Alex's 2nd and Logan and I's 1st time down here. We're all super excited and can't wait to get down there. Well, at this point, we had just arrived at Townsend, Tennessee. We're going to unload the trailer and head on down to the show. Yeah, I know. All right. This is day 2 of Bronco meetup in Tennessee. We're just getting set up.
Celebration 26.
We just took the doors off Bruce. We're going to sell Jake today, I'm telling you guys. We're going to sell him. $48,000. Takes him home. Gets to cruise around. Everything's brand new. This guy needs to sell it. This guy right here.
What's up, boys?
Some people say this town don't look good in snow. You don't care, I know. Ventura Highway in the sunshine, where the days are longer, the nights are stronger than moonshine. You're gonna go, I know. Cause the free wind is blowing through your hair, and the days surround your daylight there. Seasons crying, no despair.
Well, here we are, day 3 in full swing, and he's laughing at me for recording a video right now. We got quite a few Broncos out there here at the booth, and you can kind of see just how many people are out there. Unfortunately, I'm not on the top of the hill, so can't see down at all of them, but there's quite a few out here. And now Alex and I are going to drive around in Bruce and check out all the Broncos that are here. It is Friday, so there's quite a few people out in the field. We're going to go see what they have and catch you guys then.
For the one on me, to the one who stoned me once, she's a friend of mine. Take it easy, take it easy.
Roll it.
I'm not rolling it, just tell me. Come on.
take it easy. Don't let the sound of your own wheels make you crazy. Come on, babe, don't say maybe. I gotta know if your sweet love is gonna say.
After checking out all those awesome Broncos on Friday, now it's time for a party, hanging out with friends we knew from before and meeting plenty new ones on our way.
I just met
Pretty good until it kind of cut out earlier. I don't know what that's about. Okay, so it was under $40.
And here we are getting an early start to our Saturday. Battle of the Broncos will be coming up. This is the ride on down from the cabin down to the Bronco rally. Right, well, it's Saturday, which is the biggest day, and that means Battle of the Broncos is going on, which is going to be the coolest Broncos in the show are going to be down there, so we're going to go check those out. These guys just keep walking faster because they don't want to be caught on video.
Way on down south, London town. Check out Guitar George. He knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't want to make it cry or sing. If then an old guitar is all he can afford, when he gets up under the lights to play his thing. And Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene.
So many different Broncos down here at Battle of the Broncos. A lot of really nice paint jobs on classic Broncos, going all the way up through the 6th gen. A lot of different engine options. Just a lot of cool Broncos down here in general.
Saving it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Swing. Microphone. Say that last just as the time bell rings.
filming anything but a
From the heart of Indiana, they bring 'em alive. Classic Broncos reborn, built to drive.
While I was down at the Steel Horses booth, Alex went and recorded some of this epic flex-off footage. Hope you guys enjoy.
Woo! Look at this. Come on, folks, give it up! Uncut Bronco! Get after it, Jay! I don't hear anything. They gotta work for it, man. Come on. No more free stuff unless they're streeted. Let's go, Joe. Joe is on the half, guys. Free stuff. You guys got tired about half off. This is a So I know the backstory, believe it or not, Dave Bronco bought it here last year at the Super Celebration. Went home, I'm going to build a race Bronco out of it. Oh, we're going for it. Nice, slow, wins the race. All right, folks. Right? I don't know, you were in Target. I thought you were talking about one, but show you guys how it's done. More people. I got the wheel on the side. What do you think? I think that was the wheel. Okay, so you got him on. He said, yes, that I do. Of course, I need my name Bronco Joe. All right. Trying to go over here, Morgan? Good try, Morgan said. Holy cow. All right, I know we got two tires. One on the ramp, one on the ground, folks. Easy on that pedal. Morgan, make yourself some Baja Bob. Good, bud. All right, I see a passenger tire up. All right, folks. Are we doing prison rolls? Can somebody tell me? All right. Jason is going flipping in, everybody. Oh, give it up. Jason. Give it up. 2-door Jason can't hear you guys. Easy there. Take your time, Jason. Good. We're crawling, not racing. Thank you. All right, let's keep going. Oh, we're putting the winch on. Are you a Gator fan? 103 inches back. Give it up. All right.
After an absolutely awesome weekend, it was time for us to sign off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.